Hi everybody, this is Michelle. Good evening. Welcome to 2024. This is my very first video that I'm doing for the new year, I should say. So I hope you had a great holiday. I hope that everything went well and you had fun with your family, and I'm just excited. I'm hoping 2024 is good, and 2023 kind of hit us right upside the head a little bit. So I'm hoping that it's going to be better this year. So let's get started. This is a shopping haul video that I wanted to share with you. I saw these papers on the website at Country Craft Creations, and I just had to get it. It's just so gorgeous. And the next holiday is Valentine's Day, so we need to start thinking about some love projects. So I got this, and then I also managed to grab all of the new Glamour cardstock. Wait till you see this. It is amazing. But first off, I kind of stocked up on this particular paper collection. This is Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Love Story. It is absolutely stunning. This is going to be amazing for anything. This could be, Valentine's Day, wedding, all the things. It's absolutely gorgeous. So let's go through the papers real quick. I'm going to show you this. This is this is stunning. And the colors are beautiful. They're just adorable. I bought one paper collection, and then I went ahead and also bought extras of the die cuts, the journaling cards, because I really wanted to, be able to have one of all of the, 12 by 12 papers. Look at this. Isn't this beautiful? I am excited. So this isn't necessarily like a design team project, but I did buy it from Country Craft Creations. I will be doing something with it. I know I will. So I will have a tutorial coming out. So look at the lovebirds. Isn't that pretty? I just think the colors are amazing. And then like this here caught my heart, because you guys know I love my Polaroid cameras and all that. So this totally has the feel of all of that, which I think is fantastic. The vintage papers are really pretty. We've got the stamps here, got the typewritten letters here, or the type, I guess, keys, one would say. Yes. And then the tags. I love the tags. They're so much fun to play with, and I love that you can journal on the back of them. Just think that's amazing. Here's one of the other cut apart pages, and I like this because it has different sizes, not just the same sizes all the time. So isn't that gorgeous? The library card and the postcards and everything. This is like right up my alley. I had to have this. When I saw this, I just had to have this. So the back of that, probably want to see that too. Pretty stripes. And here's another cut apart page, and it has these little 2x2 cut aparts. I love that. And the tickets, check out the tickets. This paper is so cool. And here's the last paper that comes in this collection. So they got the 4x6 cut aparts, but also some of them are horizontal and some of them are vertical. So that's good. And then the back of that, some more stripes in the blues. I just think this paper is beautiful. Here's the sticker page that comes with the collection. And then you guys, I had to stop myself because like the papers let me backtrack. So they have so many different things you can buy to accessorize your paper crafting. So I had to stop myself. I didn't buy them all, but I did get the Simple Vintage Love Story, the chipboard clusters. And if you look on the back of this, they're just absolutely gorgeous. And they just are beautiful. And they look layered. They're not, but they are chipboard. And they're just beautiful. I just think they're gorgeous. So I got those. I had to get the floral bits because, you have to have flowers. I mean, can you guys see this? The flowers and the butterflies. There's hearts, leaves, all of the things. So I'm excited about that. I did get the sticker book, because I love my stickers, and I didn't take the tape off, but the stickers are just amazing. And there's so many in here. I'll never use them all in 100 years, but I'm going to try. I got the ephemera bits that come in this pack, and there's all kinds of different little paper bits. There's stamps, postcards, there's tickets, there's like layered pieces with letters. I just love this collection. And I mean, there was more. I could have bought so many more, but I had to stop myself. I was like, this is crazy. Big bits here. So these are just ginormous die cut ephemera pieces, which I think are absolutely gorgeous. Here is a love story, the bits and pieces. So there's all kinds of little pieces, little butterflies and typewriters and a little diary and all that stuff. So that is a super cool pack. And then this one here is the layered chipboard. So it is actually chipboard. It's thinner chipboard than the regular, but it is layered. So it has that dimension to it. And these are stickers. So they will, you know, stick right onto your projects. And then last but not least, I got the chipboard stickers that are the traditional chipboard stickers. So, I mean, look at all of the bits and pieces I have to decorate whatever I make. So I'm really excited about that. I did buy, like I said, I always buy extra of the cut aparts because I want to use the backs of the papers. So now I have a full set of these that I can use. And then I also have all of the pattern paper. So I did do that. Even though I bought one paper collection, I did buy extras of these so that I could have those papers as well and not sacrifice my journaling bits. I did get 2 of the cardstock colors that go with it. So I got 2 packs of that to make this make my projects. I don't know really what I'm going to make yet. But that's what I got. So then, this is new at Country Craft Creation. You guys, this is to die for. This is to die for. This is the new Artisan Glamour cardstock. This is a no shed glitter cardstock. That is amazing. This stuff literally will not shed. I mean, it will not flake. It will not shed. It doesn't ruin your blades on your cutter. It's a nice thick paper and it's absolutely gorgeous. So I ended up getting 2 sheets of every color. And I'm just going to go through these real quick. I'm going to put them in my lap because they're kind of heavy. And I'm just going to show you the colors that I got. I think there's 17 of them, if I remember right. I could count and double check, but I mean, these colors are amazing. These are available on the Country Craft Creations website, and I mean, they're just gorgeous. So I had to get a couple of each one because I want to play with them. And then when I was looking through them, I was picking out like these top colors here. Let me kind of fan these out a little bit. I think will go absolutely fantastic with this paper collection. I mean, I just think they're going to. So I'm going to kind of keep these separate because, like I said, I don't know which ones I'm going to use yet. But I mean, look how gorgeous all of this would look with this paper. So I'm super excited about that. I'm really excited about that. So let me get this out of the way for a second, then I'll put the rest of them on here just so you can see. I just think this is really pretty. So, you know, you can use these for your matting, would be absolutely stunning. We just got done with a New Year's Eve crop, and Tamara was using this as a matting piece in her projects, and oh my goodness, you guys, it was absolutely, I mean, unbelievably beautiful. I mean, look at these colors. Aren't they gorgeous? So yeah, I couldn't, you know, of course, just pick a couple. I just ended up getting all of them so that I could have them and use them. And yeah, so look at the colors. They're just gorgeous. And then this is the last one. So how many is that? Oh my gosh. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I was right. So 17 brand new colors. So again, this is the Artisan Glamour cardstock from Country Craft Creations. It's exclusive. It's no shed. It's awesome. You guys are going to love this. And I'm telling you, the colors are, I mean, they're beautiful online, but when you get them in person, you guys are going to freak out. So go check that out. I'll have links down below so you can check it out. And also go check out, they have all of the things for this collection, this Simple Stories 12 by 12 collection. So I'm going to be using that. And again, it's not, you know, necessarily a design team project. I purchased this for my own use, but I am going to use it. Excuse me. Got myself choked up. I'm so excited. And then I'm going to, you know, do tutorials, of course. Oh my goodness. Excuse me. Wow. I got so excited. I can't stand it. So anyway, all right, you guys, that's what I got to show you tonight. It was just a quick video on my shopping haul. So I hope you enjoyed it. Go check it out. Country Craft Creations at countrycraftcreations.com, and check all of you guys are going to love it. So I will see you later. I'm going to be bringing you some more tutorials and fun things. So thanks for watching, and I will be back soon. Bye-bye.